Curious how to take Poor Decisions Alcohol Metabolism Supplements by Life Happens? Not to worry, I got you. It seems there was a bit of confusion online previously. So, I'm going to break it down in 5 simple steps. Easy peasy. Step 1. Grab your Poor Decisions from wherever you store it. Step 2. Twist off the cap and open your Poor Decision. Step 3. Take 2 Poor Decision pills before any festivities begin. Step 4. Head out for a night on the town, brunch, Thirsty Thursday, or heck, if you're like me, a Friday night on the couch, cuddled up with my cat. Step 5. Take 2 more Poor Decisions after said festivities or before you go to bed. And that's it. If you really want to cover your bases, take 2 more bonus Poor Decisions in the morning. But please don't go all science experiment on us and come up with your own formulations. And don't go all hog wild and take more than 6 in a 24-hour period. All right, we hope that helps. Life happens. Be ready.